I created an Instagram page that was about reminding people to drink water. Every single day I would post a glass of water, and in the caption I would tell people to drink water, and I would also add a fact about water. I took this ridiculous Instagram page from 0 followers all the way to 40,000 followers in just 4 months. And here's how I did it.
Hello, labas privyet. When it comes to growing your Instagram page, you can use a couple different strategies. And the one strategy that I used to grow my Instagram was the comment strategy. This method of growing your Instagram is super popular, but people often misuse it. And in this video, I'm going to show you the proper way to use it so that you can take your Instagram from 0 followers to several thousand followers in a short period of time. And the followers you get from this strategy are also very active and engaged. My Instagram only has about 43,000 followers, and I still get about 2,000 to 4,000 likes per post, which is pretty good for the amount of followers that I have. So exactly how do you use the comment strategy effectively? To use it effectively, there's a few different phases that you have to go through. Phase number 1 is the setup. Follow around 900 Instagram pages that are super active and popular. The pages that you follow don't have to be in the same niche as your page. All of the pages that I follow definitely were not in the niche of water drinking, so it's safe to say that you're going to be fine to follow any popular page. So now that you have around 900 popular pages followed, you're going to go to your newsfeed and start refreshing. When you're doing the comment strategy, it's very important that your comment is one of the first on a brand new post from one of the popular pages. Any new post that was posted more than 10 minutes ago, you should not comment on. The reason being is because your comment is just going to be buried by the hundreds of other commenters before you, and also you are much less likely to get top comment on that post. Now, the issue with only being able to comment on recent posts is that Instagram doesn't have a filter for that. You can't put a filter in your newsfeed to only show you recent posts. The newsfeed always gives you them at random, but there's a way around that. Every single time you refresh your newsfeed, scroll a little bit, and on any single post that was posted maybe like 30 minutes ago or 15 minutes ago, you want to like that post and also comment on it. And you're going to start noticing that as you keep on refreshing, you're going to get more and more recent posts. Say you refresh it and the most recent posts you're getting are from 30 minutes ago. Keep liking and commenting on those 30-minute ago posts. Soon you're going to start noticing that your feed's going to start filling up with 15-minute ago posts, and then it's going to go to 10-minute ago, then to 5-minute ago, and then up to even 30 seconds ago. The reason being is that the Instagram algorithm wants you to be as satisfied as possible on Instagram. So the algorithm is going to watch your patterns very closely, and if it notices that you like recent posts, it's going to start giving you more and more recent posts, which will then perfectly set you up for phase 2 of the comment strategy. You need to come up with at least 4 to 5 comments that actually work. The classic "I post funny memes, go follow my page" type of comment doesn't work. The issue with that kind of comment is that people often block them out because they've seen them so often, and it's also not top comment worthy, so people aren't going to be clicking the heart in that comment, boosting it to the top of the comment section. So how do you come up with an effective and converting comment? The first criteria the comment needs to meet is that it has to be indirect. Number 2, it has to be top comment worthy. There has to be something comedic or entertaining about it. And another important thing you should do is study some human psychology and see what catches people's attention and what gets people to click. So my first top winning comment that converted thousands and thousands of people was: quick intermission, if you're enjoying this video and you're learning something new, please like the video and also subscribe to the channel. I post water every day to remind you to hydrate. Join the Hydration Nation. Now, the reason this comment worked is because it met all of the criteria I mentioned earlier. Number 1, it has comedic value. I'm reminding people to hydrate with an Instagram page. It's just sort of a ridiculous concept, and that's what makes it so attractive to people. And because of that, it makes it top comment worthy, which fills in my second criteria. Now, the comment itself is also very indirect, which is another criteria it needs to meet. I'm not saying follow my page, I'm saying join the Hydration Nation. Now, there's also some human psychology behind that too, which is the 4th criteria. Humans have a herd mentality. They always want to be a part of a group, so when I say join the Hydration Nation, I'm mentioning a group of people who enjoy drinking water. People who find that interesting, they're going to join that group. Creating a comment that meets all 4 of those criteria is super powerful. As simple as this comment is, it got me about 50 to 60% of my followers. Yeah, pretty crazy, right? I also did create several other comments that were effective, so let me share some of those with you. Don't let this distract you from the fact that I post pictures of ice cold water to remind you to hydrate. Chronic dehydration causes kidney stones. Let me save you the hospital trip. My page will remind you to drink water every day. Join the Hydration Nation. Feeling tired today? You could be dehydrated. Follow us for daily reminders to drink water. Dehydration makes you prone to disease. Don't be a fool. Join the Hydration Nation. You can see the pattern with all of those comments. Not only do they meet the criteria, but they also play around with different aspects of human psychology. Now is when you actually start posting the comments in different comment sections. After creating about 4 to 5 different comments, you're going to start cycling through those comments and posting them on your newsfeed. Each day, use a different comment that you created. This is going to help you isolate the comments and see which ones are working and which ones aren't. Get rid of the ones that don't work and create new ones till you have about 4 or 5 very effective and converting comments. And once you have those effective comments, all you got to do is keep on commenting. Throughout the day, you want to comment and cycle through those 4 to 5 comments that you created. You don't want to just use one comment for an entire day. That's only for the testing phase to figure out which ones work. You want to keep on cycling through and changing up your comments, otherwise you're going to get action blocked by Instagram. And once you're action blocked a few times, the comment strategy just isn't going to work for you anymore, which is exactly what happened to me. I overused the strategy and got action blocked several times, and now whenever I post around like 10 comments in a row, I'll get action blocked again. The whole purpose of the comment strategy is to get you enough active followers to boost your photos into the explore page, which will allow your page to grow organically. And that's exactly what happened to me. Even though I can't do the comment strategy anymore, my page has started growing organically. So that's the whole strategy. Go out there, have fun, try it out, comment down below if it works for you, and also give the video a big like if you learned something new. And while you're down there, it wouldn't hurt to subscribe to the channel too. Thank you all for watching and have a great rest of your day. Peace.